Hey guys, welcome to a new video here on NailPossible. In this tutorial we're going to create this design using metal slices and a little bit of nail stamping. I'm going to start using one of these two stampers to fill in some metal slices. We place them on a stamper face down to fill them in with a color. I'm going to use Sisters by Picture Polish. While they dry, we can apply our base coat. And now we apply the other color. I'm using this brownish nude by Hansen. We clean up around the nails. And you can either wait until your nails are completely dry, or if you're impatient like me, you can add a quick dry top coat. Once everything's dry, we're going to use some striping tape to create a separation a little bit smaller than half of each nail. And we apply the first polish we used on the smaller side, removing the striping tape immediately after to get a clean line. I'm cleaning up again. And our slices should be dry by now, so we're going to round them a little bit to place them on top of the nude side. I'm going to add a line between the two colors using this plate by Moya London with the other stamper and a gold polish. This is completely optional, you can leave it as it is, use some striping tape or freehand the line. I like the line in the middle, so I'm going to remove everything else with some tape. Once the stamper is clean, we stamp the line. We clean up any residue from the lines. And we add a top coat to protect everything. This is our finished design. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!